It's 2:30 in the afternoon, and I am here at Coonoor. So I'm staying at this property called Birdhouse. I had some rest, and now I am officially going out to my first day of sightseeing. Uh, so the host just passed by. So he's my good friend now. So we are just going out to chill, and mostly I'll be covering dolphin. No, not dolphin. Lamb's Rock today. So see the view. Weather is amazing, and there are clouds, but there's no rain. So I'll just start my walking and get you guys some good shots. See you later. Here I am walking down through the forest. So, what is my ideology? Is that someone, if they want to explore the place, so at least they should go on exploring them on foot. So, once you get your feet ready and walk through it, you realize that there is, you know, many things to watch except the points you are going through. There are people coming through the cars, and they'll just reach at a point, and they'll just see that point, capture some photos, and they'll just head back. So instead of, what I'll do is that I'll stop at many points and just how a place can be beautiful in a different way. I'll see that first, and then I'll end up at the place where I'm going. So here's some tea gardens. It's called Singara Estate. It's a private property of Singara. I'll take some photo and get some rest here. Let's take a closer look at tea plants. I hope it's a tea plants. I don't know. So this is how they look from the roots and from the top. Again. Yeah, I mean, that's it. We'll see you further after. We won't waste much time here. So I walked through that tea gardens. You can again take a look at this. And especially this view. Looks like Coonoor is not at a very high altitude, but yeah, it's a great and peaceful place to be. So this is the Singara Estate farms, and now I'll be going through that jungle again, and yeah, I mean, let's see what comes next. See you then. So I just had a ginger tea at this place. I think you can see it behind. It's called Rock Bistro. And yeah, the tea was amazing, and there are some special seating arrangements. So you can take a look up to like tea gardens and enjoy your tea. So that was the best part of that. And yeah, I love that. So I'm just moving forward to my actual goal, which is like to reach Lamb's Rock. So again, yeah, again I'm into the jungles. So yeah, see you later. So I'm almost around the corner to reach Lamb's Rock. I just need to take this hairpin band which goes this way. And yeah, it's around like 700 meters from here. So yeah, I'll be reaching there soon. I found a Maggie corner here, but I think I'll have it on the return journey because I don't want to miss out on the scenery somewhere before it gets dark. It's not 4 yet, but still in the hilly areas you get the dark very early. Oh, this is amazing. I would like to take some photos. I'll just pause my recordings here. Damn, I'm walking fast. So before like 10 minutes I was up there. Maybe you can see the cars going over there. And yeah, after a few turns, I am here again. I let those cars pass by because there will be noise and maybe you cannot hear me properly. So yeah, again take a look at those tea gardens, lush green and beautiful. Yeah, there is a check post, so I think I need to get the entry ticket. I'll see you later. Indeed, it was like free to walk. There are just parking charges over here. Uh, I'll be just heading towards the Lamb's Rock. I'm almost there. It's like 100 meters from here. And look at those views. Just the tea gardens. Tea gardens everywhere. And obviously it's a tree. So you can call it tree garden as well. Never mind. Again, let's go to the jungle. See you later. So I'm just coming back from that Lamb's Rock, and there was an entry ticket of 40 rupees and there's a camera ticket as well of 300 rupees. So I decided not to take my GoPro inside because I think that's not worth it. And I'll add some clips here so you can see the view. So it's not at very high altitude, so you get this kind of views. I'll stop speaking whenever there is a car passing by because I don't have a mic and it makes so much noise. So yeah, I think I'm just heading back to the stay, and I will just have a dinner at maybe, I don't know. I have a list of restaurants with me, so I'll try to go to one of them, and that will end my day. So I guess see you later. So I showed this view before as well when I was walking towards the Lamb's Rock, and now as there are clouds running over the hills, it is getting more beautiful. Let's look at that. There's a water flow somewhere over there. I don't know. I won't go to unknown places. There's a way over there. But yeah, let's just keep walking back to the stay because it will be dark soon, and I don't want to be in this forest area while there is a dark. So yeah, I'll try to make it to the birdhouse as fast as I can. So yeah, I will see you.